It's a mule deer right on the river. Big old ears. We're out here this morning, first check day. We've run by a couple of traps already. I apologize, I forgot a dadgum SD card for my video camera. So I'm filming everything on my phone so I can't see and make sure everything's framed in. But we're getting out some new sets too, and I was just going to show you. This is it's just a wash that comes kind of out of those mountains up there and down this road, and it kind of crosses the road. It's real wide, but it crosses the road and next down, and it's a tough time figuring out some of these tracks just because this ground is so soft. But you can see, I mean, definitely got some coyote tracks running through there. There's some cat tracks, or some cow tracks as well, but this is so wide we had a tough time narrowing it down. But you can see just a massive tracks cutting around the edge of this. So I put in a set. Some of this stuff is real rocky, so you got to kind of get creative putting this set in. But I've got my trap right here, center, kind of right under that feather there. I've got some lure under that rock. I got some pretty prickly backing, so I don't think he's gonna come in from the back. I've also got some I got some bait under the rock. I got some lure, so that bait is actually gator bait, Predator Control Group's gator bait. That's some old XXX I had from Wildlife Predator Control Outdoor Supply. And then I also threw a little bighorn medicine kind of over here, some O'Gorman's. Threw some feathers on it, got a little red fox urine. I got this little stick, it's kind of a stepping guide to try to get them to go right through there and scope things out. So we'll see. Hopefully we got some catches today to video. We're gonna try hard to get some more traps out. Man, this is awesome. You see this old canyon? The river is right, it's in a bend, but it's right over there. I mean, that's Mexico, that old hill over there, that mountain over there in Mexico. And boy, we got some lion tracks again cutting down through here. Golly, look at the size of that, y'all. Man. God, that's so exciting. So I don't know what a mountain lion set is supposed to look like, but this is what I feel like may be the best one I've had so far. So we had lion tracks right out here. Swept them out and try to get rid of our tracks. But I made this walkthrough. I've got a beaver leg nailed down, kind of covered up. I've tried to get the back prickled up, briared up so they couldn't come in from the back. I got some Weiser's Rocky Mountain rub lure. I've got a little bit of Dobbin's Perfect on this side. I've got some Weiser's Super Cat, which is a strong skunky call lure over there. And then, like I say, man, this is right where his tracks were. Just, I'm super excited about this. This is a jam up location, I think. Man, y'all, the first catch, this was a, man, look at that bobcat. Look at that bobcat. Ay, man. He's just chilling. It's hard to tell how good he's caught. He ain't moved yet, so we're gonna get him put down, dispatched, and then I'll get you some better pictures. Man, that was the world's largest ice cream cone shining down on us. All right, so this is the first set we actually made. We had a couple we put in going out yesterday, so we checked them before. But this was the first set we made yesterday. I remade it basically exactly like it was. It's just this wash. There's a pretty good ridge right there, and it's all draining this big kind of canyon here. And there were some tracks, some cat and coyote tracks in here, and I just took this rock. This rock was already here. Looked like a jam up spot to me, so I put some lure underneath it. Some Rusty Johnson's Lucky, stuck a little wool on it. I stuck this feather here, the trap's right here in the center. I got some of Weiser's Rocky Mountain rub lure on there. The idea being, that's all it was there yesterday. The idea being, you know, kind of like a walkthrough with the feather as an eye appeal. And then we got some cat turds today, courtesy of our old buddy over here. And I put those there as well, just to make it another deterrent to get him to try to pass over the pan. So that's it. We'll go and see what else we got. Here's our first lion trap that we set. And I had a coon come by. You can see his tracks here. That kind of looks like more of a bobcat, but you can see rock right over the pan, so I have to fix this one. All right, second catch of the day. We got old Pepe over there. I don't think he's real thrilled about seeing us. We still got a few more traps to check. We've been through most of them. We've been getting a good many more out though, so that's a plus. All right, so we're wrapping up the second day of first check day. You can see that's Mexico and the sunset in the background. This place is incredibly picturesque. It's hot. It's been warming up. It's been started out at 30 this morning. Got up to 80. But we got 50 sets out. Wound up with a really pretty bobcat and a skunk out of 18 sets. So I'll take that all day long. Ran across more lion tracks and got some more lion traps out. So we got us a really good line. We're running. I don't know. I'll have to track it tomorrow and tell you how long we're traveling. But I bet we're close to 100 miles round trip. Maybe not, because once we hit the dirt roads, it slows down a lot. But we're covering a lot of ground anyway, so we'll see what we got in the morning.